Hello guys, today I'm gonna be filming Tesla X, Tesla 3. Right now I'm gonna show you, number one is gonna be Tesla 3 right now. This one is Model 3. You can open the trunk first. Let me show you how. You can see on the back, you can see two doors, this part, you can close it, you can see made in China, but I don't support China, but I support Ukrainian. Number 635, triple battery, and yeah, this second is going to be Tesla Model X. You can open on the back of the trunk. You can see on the back. And now you can see on the front. And on the front side, you can open this. But we have a little bit dusty. Have to clean up my toy car. Did you see the logo sign? It's a Tesla. I had a Tesla for my birthdays. And let's see. That's more like language is that triple batteries. You can see I guess it's nothing, but this Tesla is super cool. Can ride and really fast. I like X is better than 3. 3 is always like red color and black materials. I like X1. Super grip tires, grip. You can hear the sound, watch. You can open the doors with the sound, listen. And close it. This is X-Wing. And this part, listen to this. So they are the same of the sound of a Tesla 3 and X. So which one you like? The Tesla Model X black, Model 3 is a red one. It's a toy of a Tesla. It's a super heavy. You can ride together. So yeah, I like X is better than speed. Like you can see on the wheels, steering wheels. I know it's blurry, I have to check it. Wow, super cool. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, comment down below if you like these Teslas. You can like this one. So enjoy the video and bye.